Hey guys, so this is the other guy coming to you again today. So, listen, I just came back from the junkyard, picked up a lot of stuff. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff today, like changing my grill. What my grill is that the front of my car, the grill gave up its ghost, so I found one for 14 bucks. I'm also replacing a lot of stuff in my truck, and in this episode here, I am replacing the dead light bulb on the drive indicator. So I'll show you. So this is the my instrument cluster right here. As you can see, the park light is not on. However, if I go like this, you'll see that the reverse light is on. If I go like that, the neutral is on, drive is off, second is on, and first gear is on. So two of my lights are off, and so that's what we're doing. We are replacing these two dead lights. So I went to the junkyard today, and basically I got these for free. These are my little doodads that I got from the junkyard. I was very truthful, okay guys? I don't like to steal, and so bought a whole bunch of stuff, put it in this little thing majig. So these are the light bulbs that I have picked up, and I told them I got these light bulbs, but this is the receipt right here. So you could see, I don't know why, but they didn't charge me for these light bulbs today. Okay, but you could see the grill, the front grill, I got it for $14.99. Sun visors, $9.99 each. Sensors, $14.97, and dome light cover, which is that right here. I just installed it. It was missing. Somebody beat me to a new. my son, he was playing monkey. Well, he was monkeying around in my truck, and he grabbed a hold of this and put his weight on it, and pang, the rear view mirror came out and it's broken. So anywho, so today what I'm doing is I am replacing those dead lights. As you can see, so parking light is off, neutral or reverse is on, neutral is on, drive is off, second is on, low gear is on. However, nothing else is bad. So that's what we're going to be doing. If you are interested in this part of the video, follow along with me and we'll do this thing together and have some fun. Okay, so to start, you need a Phillips screwdriver. There's a little Phillips screw right here, a little Phillips screw right here, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna attack this area right here, and we're gonna unscrew this screw. It's not hard. Then we'll unscrew this screw right here. And then just pull this out. I need a flat screwdriver. Okay. Remove this out of the way. And then voila. So now, as you can see, it doesn't take a rocket scientist. But you do, take the screwdriver, go like this. There is a screwdriver here. It helps if you have a magnetic screwdriver. So I'm gonna go get my magnetic thingy-majig. Be right back. So here's a trick, guys. If your screwdriver is not magnetic, what you can do is stick a magnet right here and do this. For some reason, when you do this, you arrange the magnetic or the atoms inside the steel, and it becomes magnetic. Watch this. So, voila. Works all the time. See? There. Okay, so let's go here. My experience has been that the more powerful the magnet is, the more powerful the tip will be. Okay. So, this one screw there, one screw up here. Another screw right here. I know you won't see it, but if you do this project, you'll know what I mean. You'll find the screw really easily. Voila. So there's 4 screws that holds the instrument cluster here together, and you just pull it out like so. So you'll notice that this is here and it's blocking the way. So let me get my keys. Okay. Pull it down and out it comes. Okay. Okay, so here, what you do is you go in here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's this little tab here where you pull out the instrument cluster on the connectors. It just comes out like that, and it's really easy. So okay, you see these lights, these little thing-majig right here. Okay, the black thing, these are the light bulbs, right? So I'm guesstimating this is low, low gear, first gear, second gear, third gear, and drive. Okay, so you twist this off like so, and you can see that this bulb right here, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of burnt. Okay, so I'm going to replace that with the newly acquired bulb from the junkyard. Okay. Okay, newly acquired bulb from the junkyard, the old bulb. You could tell the difference, and you could see that the filament in here is not there anymore. So let's put it in here. Okay, and then twist with your little tiny finger. Okay. Yep. Okay, so L, okay, first gear, second gear, third gear, drive, neutral, reverse, park. Okay, so let's take the park. First gear, second gear, third gear, drive, neutral, reverse, park. So out comes park. Check out the park light. Oh. Okay, so I'm looking into here and I saw that, and I'm seeing that one of the filament in there is missing. So let's go and look for another park light. Okay, so this is good. All right, so let's put this thing back in. I looked online and found these thing too, but I figure I didn't want to buy it. I wanted to try the junkyard first before ordering it. Okay. All right. So let's put this thing back in. Okay. Click back in. Okay. So, ta-da! All right, guys. So here, let me show you. Okay. So as you can see, the park light is on. Reverse, neutral, drive, second gear, first gear. There. And that's how you fix the bad guy. Let me know what your thoughts are, and we'll go on to the next episode. Like and subscribe, and so that you can get notified when I am onto something else.